Welcome to the University of Wolverhampton, where passion for sport meets professional excellence. At our renowned school, we offer cutting-edge programs that equip you with the knowledge, skills, and experience to thrive in your chosen career. All our courses have been developed in line with professional standards and are accredited by SIMSPA and other professional bodies, which means our students are well prepared to meet employer expectations. At Wolverhampton, we're shaping innovative educators and coaches. Our physical education and school sport degree blends theory with extensive practical experience, giving you the confidence, competence and independence to empower children, young people and adults. If football is your passion, our football coaching and performance degree gives you industry-leading access to the game. You're working alongside professional clubs using cutting-edge performance analysis technology and develop the coaching expertise to excel in a competitive field. Our sport and exercise science degree bridges scientific knowledge with practical application. From physiology labs to performance testing with elite athletes, you'll master both the science and its real-world implementation. In our sport and exercise therapy degree, you'll develop practical skills within both a clinical and rehab environment using our purpose-built clinics and health performance suite. Our graduates leave ready to provide expert injury assessment, treatment and rehabilitation across sporting contexts. Our recent multi-million pound investment has transformed our specialist practical spaces into world-class facilities. We develop profession-ready graduates. Explore our health and performance suite, equipped with Olympic standard technology. Advanced biomechanic laboratory, featuring precision 3D motion capture for in-depth movement analysis. Specialist physiology labs, equipped with elite human performance assessment. Environmental chamber stimulates diverse training conditions to push the limits of athletic performance. We have a strong vision for our students. We strive to develop graduates who are ambitious and entrepreneurial leaders, who will go out into the real world and contribute to the development of an active nation. Our academics don't just teach the subject, they're actively shaping it through research and professional practice. From professional sports teams to national governing bodies, our partnerships ensure you're connected to the industry before you graduate. These relationships translate into internships, placement, and employment opportunities that give our graduates a competitive edge. At the University of Wolverhampton, we are proud to be the University of Opportunity. Everything we do is designed to help you develop the skills, knowledge, and confidence to achieve your career ambitions. So join us, study sports at the University of Wolverhampton. Every story has a start. Start yours today.